Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So students, let's begin with the February March 21 password for budgeting. Question number 6. So F Limited manufacture was and sells one product. So the sales budget data is given as follows. So sales budget for the month of April, May, June, July, August. So at all times, F Limited expects the finished goods inventory to be 15% of the following month's sales. So this is the opening inventory because it says that 15% of the following month sale. So before April, there was March. So for March, the inventory would be 15% of 2400. So equal to 360. And then the closing inventory would be for this, this, and for July, 375. Then it asked us that state two benefits of preparing budget. So two benefits of preparing budget. Entity can plan ahead and take remedial actions for the shortage of resources when identified. Number two, the management can monitor and control the business activities easily. Then part B, prepare the production budget for each of the month. So production budget, April to June. So April, May, June. So the opening inventory, see for April, the opening inventory 360 because it was at 15% of the following month sale. So I've explained here. Then sales, and then closing inventory. So opening inventory for May would be 390, for June would be 450. Similarly, the closing inventory for April is 390, for May 450, and for June 420. Sales, the sales 2400, for May 2600, for June 3000. Then production units to be produced. See, we have sales amounting to this and closing inventory amounting to this. So opening inventory pertains to last month. So we would subtract the opening inventory. And when we will sum them, so 2430, 2660, 2970. So this is our answer for part B. Then for part C, prepare the purchases budget for each of the month. Purchases budget. So April, May, June, and then production of the following month. So for May, see, here it is in each unit of product requires 2 kilos. So kilos per unit. So 2 kilos required, 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg. Materials are purchased 1 month before they are used for production. And 50% of the purchases for the month are paid in the month of purchases to receive a 5% cash discount, and remaining 50% paid in following month. So we will use this information for part D. And then cost of raw material is expected to be $8 per kilo. So we are making the purchases budget. So cost per kilo is $8. So materials are purchased 1 month before they are used for production. So for May, we will purchase in April. For June, we will purchase in May. And this is we have to find out. So for this, we have to create another working. So July. So for July, the opening inventory would be 420. See, for July, opening 420 and closing 375. And sales units 2800. So 2755. So this will be your working in paper. You can mark it as working 1. Then the purchases So 2660 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. 42560. So this is our answer. Then moving on to the next question. So part D of the question, calculate the amount to be paid for purchases. So amount to be paid for purchases April to June. So we will copy this heading April, May, June. So purchases for current month. So we have calculated our purchases here. So we got the purchases from our previous answer. So it says that 50% of purchase for the month are paid in the month of purchases to receive a 5% cash discount. So 50% to receive a 5% cash discount. So this into 50% and you are receiving a 5% cash discount. So 95%. So 50% of this, it will give you 21280 and you are receiving a 5% cash discount. So 100% minus 5%, 20216. So here the same thing, here also the same thing. Then it says that the remaining 50% are paid in the following month. Remaining 50%. So you have to go and check this. Okay, so this relates to the purchases of May. See, we are producing May in April. So we are purchasing for the production of May in April and we are paying 50% to receive a 5% cash discount. So remaining 50% which is left for the previous month. So to get this, see, in April, like going back a month before, Jan, Feb, March. So for March, so 50%, let me write over here. See, for April, we will purchase in March. 50% to pay to get 5% discount and 50% remaining to be paid in next month, which is April. Therefore, 2660 into 2 kilos into $8 per kilo. So 42560. Sorry, these units. So units to be produced for April 2430 into 2 kilos into $8 3880 into 50%, for which we won't receive any cash discount. So see, for April we will purchase in March. So the units of April are 2430 and 2430 into 2 kilos into 8 into 50%. So 19440. And here we can do the same for the current month, May. And we can do it the another way, like if this into 50%, see, we get the same answer. So we can do this into 50%. So remaining 50% payment. So total amount to be paid to supplier equals to this plus this. So we got our 7 marks. And I will let it be remain this. Then additional information. The product is sold at $40 per unit. F Limited is expected to receive an extra order from a long-term customer for 300 units by the end of June. Will be at maximum production in June. To fulfill the order, would have to purchase this unit from outside supplier at a cost. So receive part $40 and cost is $38. So profit of $2. So we can write that F Limited can still make a profit of $2 by purchasing it from the outside supplier. And we can get our 1 mark. Then we can go on to write that since since the order is from a long-term customer, refusing it will have an adverse impact on our business relationship. Therefore, we can purchase it from the outside supplier and maintain the good business relationship. Then we can go on to write the disadvantages against arguments. These were favor. So against that, since we are purchasing it from the outside supplier, we are not sure about the quality of the product, which can harm our relationship if the quality of the product is not good. We can also write that we will be we will not be sure regarding the delivery time of the product, which can cause delays and can have an adverse impact with the client relationship. So this was the solution for the budgeting question for the total of 25 marks. I hope this helps you and thank you for watching.